Here's a great view at some of that sunshine that's beginning to break back through the cloud cover. Still going to have a humid feel this evening down toward Perrysburg. We're looking off to the west-southwest sky. And there's some of that cloud cover that is now shifting off to the east. Roadway is going to be nice and dry over the next several hours. And one small little chance of a few isolated showers or rumble of thunder as we get closer to about dusk. That will work into the area. Doppler radar is very quiet now across the area with clearing that's taking place west of I-75. Still some lingering clouds to these, but that rain threat is now gone from our eastern counties, as over the next several hours you will have dry conditions. The more widespread storms have been across central and northern Michigan, and embedded in here there's actually been a few strong to severe storms that have been occurring. I don't have any expectation that that is going to impact our area. The trailing edge, a few of those storms now just east of South Bend. They're going to be working toward I-69 in the next 1 to 2 hours, and then eventually into northwest Ohio with at least an isolated chance of a brief shower or storm as we get into the evening. Much of the more robust storm activity, though, has been up across central and northern Michigan. Back here at home, mid to upper 70s and a few spots into the lower 80s like Bowling Green and Wassiana at 81. Upper 70s fairly common from Fremont, Port Clinton out towards Sandusky at 79 degrees. Now sundown tonight is going to be at 9-11, but slowly you're going to notice this over the next couple of weeks. We are losing daylight now into the evening, and by the end of the month, end of July, 8:52 is going to be sundown time. And you may be looking toward the skies tonight for some of our area Friday night fireworks displays right around the mid-70s, and we'll at least have partly to mostly cloudy skies. The chance of any rain should be less than a 20% chance as we go toward 10 o'clock. Tomorrow morning could be the opportunity. Get that morning walk in the mid-60s, mow the lawn into the afternoon. Partly sunny skies, close to 80 degrees. More sunshine, nice and dry on Sunday, mid-80s. A warmer and more humid day on Monday. If you put that chore off until Monday of next week, we're going to be closer to 90 on Monday, so you may want to get that mow in this weekend. One last little chance of an isolated shower or rumble of thunder, and that's going to be a little closer to dusk. That will be fading away, though, very quickly. Once we get after sundown time, there's a clock 11 p.m. essentially going to be looking at entirely dry weather. And overnight tonight, partly cloudy skies, lows back into the mid-60s, and that partly sunny day tomorrow. I will mention the chance of an isolated shower, but you're not going to see much of that activity here on the hour-by-hour forecast. That chance of rain tomorrow, less than 20%, so it's very likely it will be an entirely dry day as we go into Saturday. Shower's going to end, that'll be well before midnight tonight, mid-60s for overnight lows tonight. Your Saturday high, is that perfect for early July? Less humid, right around 80 degrees with a partly sunny afternoon. On Lake Erie, Saturday could be in the 70s, partly sunny, breezy a little bit through the afternoon. Southwest winds up to about 15 knots will put our waves 2 feet or less. Quiet conditions into the weekend. Both Saturday and Sunday are looking great. Mid-80s on Sunday, back close to 90 on Monday. Partly to mostly sunny skies. Next chance of storms, that'll be Monday night into Tuesday. Mid-80s Tuesday with a few lingering showers into Wednesday. It'll keep us right around the middle 80s through the middle of next week, and then we'll slowly climb back into the upper 80s. It could come close to, again, 90 or warmer as we get toward the end of that 10-day forecast, which is fairly typical or on average for this point in July, right around the upper 80s.